wondered what being inauthentic truly costs you in terms of time, resources, money, and energy? Today, we're diving deep into how inauthenticity drains these essential assets, impacting both personal and professional realms. Let's start on a personal level. Being inauthentic means not aligning your actions with your true beliefs and desires. Initially, it might seem like a way to blend in or please others, but what does that compromise? Firstly, there's the energy drain. Keeping up appearances requires constant vigilance and adjustment. Every decision, instead of being natural, becomes a calculated move, leading to mental and emotional exhaustion. Then, there's the cost of lost opportunities. Inauthenticity can mean saying yes when you want to say no, missing out on paths that might have been more fulfilling, leading to better opportunities. Shifting to the corporate level, the stakes get even higher. Companies that fail to align their brand identity with their core values can face severe repercussions. Resource wastage is massive. Marketing efforts that do not resonate with genuine brand values can lead to squandered budgets and poor financial return on investment. Employees forced to embody a corporate persona that clashes with the organizational culture may become disengaged, reducing productivity and increasing turnover. Even worse, the long-term impact on reputation can be devastating. Customers and clients can sense inauthenticity, and once trust is broken, it's challenging to rebuild. A stark example is the Volkswagen Dieselgate scandal. Volkswagen marketed their diesel vehicles as eco-friendly, while secretly programming them to cheat emissions tests. This deceit led to over $30 billion in fines and settlements, and severely damaged their reputation, showing how discrepancies between a company's image and actions can result in substantial financial losses and a tarnished brand. So, what's the real cost of being fake? On a personal level, it's a life half-lived, drained of energy and true joy. For businesses, it's a potential spiral of resource waste, disengagement, and a tarnished reputation. Embracing authenticity isn't just about integrity, it's about unlocking our fullest potential and sustainable success. Think about this. Are you paying the price for inauthenticity in money, happiness, and satisfaction? Let's discuss in the comments below. And if this video struck a chord with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.